Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Uh, I start with the topic antidotes to the common medications. This presentation will give you an idea about the introduction of the antidotes to the common medication and for the test preparation of the post of the forensic scientist and junior forensic scientist, which are recently advertised in Punjab Forensic Scientist, Punjab Forensic Science Agency. So let's start the presentation. Antidotes to the common medications. First of all, here is the acetaminophen. If there is a poisoning of acetaminophen, you can give as an antidote acetylcysteine, which can also be called as mucomist. Next is the anticholinesterase, whose poisoning can be antidoted by the atropine or pralidoxime. And next is the anticholinergics, which have an antidote of physostigmine. Next is the antifreeze, fomepizole ethanol. Next is the benzodiazepines, whose poisoning can be antidoted by the romazicon, flumazenil. And the next is the beta blocking agents, whose antidote are glucagon and epinephrine. Calcium channel blockers have an antidote, calcium chloride and glucagon. Next, move to the further other slide. If there is a poisoning of carbon monoxide, you can give as an antidote of hyperbaric or oxygen. If there is a poisoning of comedine, you can give vitamin K. If there is poisoning of cyanidine, you can give amyl nitrate, sodium nitrate or sodium thiosulfate. Nitrate is the antidote of cyanide. Next is the cyclophosphamide, whose antidote is mesna. Next is the digoxin poisoning can be antidoted by digoxin immune fab. Dopamine poisoning can be treated by rigidine. EBS can be treated by Benadryl. Ethylene glycol can be treated with fomepizole. If there is poisoning of fluorouracil, you can give leucovorin calcium. Heroin poisoning can be treated with Narcan, naloxone. Heparin poisoning is treated with protamine sulfate. Next, move to the other slide. Insulin reaction. If there is reaction of insulin, you can give IV glucose. And if there is poisoning of iron, deferoxamine. If there is poisoning of lead, you can give any of these idatate, calcium, diasodium, dimercaprol, or succimer. Next, you can give malignant hyperthermia as for the poisoning. You can give antidote antroline. For the poisoning of methanol, you give an ethanol as an antidote. For the poisoning of methotrexate, you can give leucovorin calcium. If there is a poisoning of any narcotics item, you can give naloxone. If there is a poisoning due to opioid analgesic, you can give also naloxone. If there is poisoning of organophosphate, you can give atropine, pralidoxime. Next, move to the other slide. If there is a poisoning of potassium, you can give insulin, glucagon, sodium bicarbonate, albuterol inhaler. If there is poisoning of rohypnol, you can give romazicon as an antidote or flumazenil as antidote. Next, if there is toxicity of tricyclic antidepressant, you can give physostigmine or sodium bicarbonate. If there is poisoning of tranquilizers, you can give Benadryl. If there is poisoning of Tylenol, you can give acetylcysteine. If there is poisoning of warfarin, you can give vitamin K. So these are the antidotes which can be used in the subject or under the umbrella of toxicology, or narcotics subjects can be also covered, because one or two questions are taken in the from the antidote portion. So you should also prepare these antidotes as and remind these antidotes. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Welcome back to